Alright, testing out the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, the S20 Ultra in 8K, 24 frames per second. The unboxing, first unboxing in 8K for me is the Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay, manual. Instruction sheets. USB cord. Earpieces. Looks like earpieces there. And yeah, I'll just slide it out. Oops. Okay. Fingerprint magnet. Right there is the USB port connector, and this is a USB-C. Okay. Still has a light, and it says left and right. Connector ports for the charging, I guess, and earpiece in it. Let's see how it feels. I just put that in my left ear. It feels pretty good, and it beeped when I double tapped on the side of that. Putting it back for now, and it's charging already. And green light. More reviews on it, but I just wanted to check out the recording on the 8K format here again. And I actually have this phone rubber banded to my tripod so that it's as stable as possible while I'm recording. And thanks for watching.